Hello, friends! Are you ready to go on a fun animal adventure? Today, we're going to meet animals from A to Z and learn a little something about each one. Let's get started! A is for alligator. Look, it's swimming gently in the lake. Alligators have big tails and sharp teeth, but don't worry, this one's just having a swim. B is for bear. And guess what? This bear loves baking cake. Bears usually eat berries and honey, but today he's baking. C is for cat. Can you see it chasing a fuzzy ball? Cats love to play, especially when they spot something that moves. D is for duck. Quack, quack. Ducks love swimming and quacking loudly near the pond. E is for elephant. Wow, that trunk is swinging side to side. Elephants are the largest land animals in the world. F is for fox. This little fox is full of silly tricks. Foxes are smart and fast, and they love sneaking around. G is for giraffe. Look at that long neck. Giraffes use their height to munch on leaves from tall trees. H is for hippo. It's splashing in the waterfall. Hippos love the water and stay cool by soaking all day. I is for iguana. It's resting in the sun. Iguanas are reptiles that love the heat. J is for jellyfish. This glowing jellyfish is floating so gently. They're see-through and live in the ocean. K is for kangaroo. It's hopping all around with a baby in its pouch. L is for lion. Hear that roar? Lions are known as the kings of the jungle. M is for monkey. Swinging on a vine, just like in the jungle. N is for newt. This tiny animal has a wiggly spine and loves damp places. O is for owl. Who is awake at night? Owls are. P is for penguin. Waddling side to side. They may not fly, but they sure can slide. Q is for quail, running quickly down a dusty trail. R is for raccoon, with a ringed tail, always curious and clever. S is for snake, slithering slowly along the ground. T is for tiger. Look at those stripes. This tiger loves to show off with a big stretch. U is for unicorn, a magical creature shining so bright. V is for vulture, soaring through the sky, searching for a snack. W is for whale, singing way down in the ocean. X is for X-ray fish. You can even see its bones. Y is for yak, with a thick and shaggy coat. Z is for zebra. Those black and white stripes are easy to spot. You did it! You met animals from A to Z. Now, let's see how much you remember. Ready? This animal swims in a lake and has a long tail. What is it? Alligator. Who loves eating honey and has furry ears? Bear. Which animal hops with a baby in its pouch? Kangaroo. Which one roars and has a mane? Lion. Good job! Come back to learn more about colors, shapes, and animals.